Product launch strategies. Let me show you the amazingly simple step-by-step methods used to successfully launch your online products to an eager audience that is ready to buy. You know, back when I first started out in online marketing in 2002, there was always one thing that amazed me about this business. This is it. I'd wake up in the morning, and while checking my mail I'd see an ad for a product that would claim that they're only selling 500 copies before pulling it off the shelf forever. I'd think nothing more of it, go about my daily business, then wake up the next morning and check my mail again. What I found never failed to shock me. This $500 product they were only selling 500 had already sold 250 copies. Now in my naivety I did wonder if they were serious about this or it was just a marketing ploy. Several years down the line however, and actually seeing this in action, I now know this is a fact. My next plan of action was to find out how they were doing this. Was it simply through a bunch of joint ventures? Maybe it was because they have a huge list to promote too, I thought. I was even more astonished at what I found to be true. It wasn't their big lists that were selling them 250 copies of their premium products in 24 to 48 hours. It wasn't even their joint ventures, it was their plan. You see, they had a very specific start to finish launch date plan that started 2 weeks before their product was even ready to go, and ended 2 weeks afterwards. This awesome report will give you highlights like one reason why a majority of marketers are failing to successfully launch their products. Looking beyond immediate profits is ultimately the key to product launch success. How to almost never run out of prospects to promote to for free. 4 launch day tips that ensure your product launches go down without a hitch. Are the sales of your digital or info product netting you less than $100 profit per product? 6 methods of successful post-launch day promotion. 3 list building and lead generation mistakes of the marketing newbie. 4 launch day tips that almost ensure your product launches will go down without a hitch. 6 methods of successful post-launch day promotion. Place your order right now, you'll automatically get upgraded to master resell rights so you can also sell the rights to this hot product. Just go here now or click below where it says show more. resellrightsbiz.com/product launch strategies.